Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to check out a new 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is 10-foot 7-inch beam or width. It's approximately 35 feet overall with the outboards and has a dry weight just under 15,000 pounds. As I mentioned, I'm going to point out 5 key features on this boat. Number 1 is the triple 250s with joystick piloting. Makes the boat really maneuverable around the dock, gives you great control. Also, while we're on the transom, this boat has a lot of storage. Beginning here, great place for your dock lines, fenders, extra gear, life jackets, whatever you need space for. You have a great storage compartment here on the transom. Well, now we're going to step into the cockpit of the 320. So now we're in the cockpit of the 320 Sundancer outboard. Feature number 2 that I'd like to point out is the cockpit grill, refrigerator, and wet bar area over on the starboard side. Very compact, but yet very functional. You have your Kenyon grill, closes with a nice solid surface counter, your wet sink as well as your cockpit refrigerator. Also in the cockpit, you have a great seating area, very conversational. You have seating basically facing every direction. Under virtually every seat, there is additional storage. So the third key feature I want to point out is the 320 Sundancer dash area and helm station. So you have twin Simrad displays. You also have redundant switches for all your key features. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, Mercury digital throttle, as well as joystick piloting that we mentioned earlier. In your joystick you have skyhook anchoring, so if you're waiting on a bridge or waiting on a fuel dock or for some reason need to hold up, you hit skyhook, it will anchor your position. Also, it's a very comfortable area. You have decking material on the footrest as well as bolsters for the seats, and as always, Sea Ray does an outstanding job with their upholstery and their stitching. Great cockpit, great helm, great position for operating the boat. So now we're in the cabin of the 320 Sundancer outboard. All the way forward you have your V berth with your table, which is now in the down position but can rise up, but is in down with filler for when you want to use it for a berth area. Television all the way forward. Head compartment to starboard. Behind the camera we have our mid-cabin berth, which also has television, very spacious, converts easy. For a 320, this is one of the nicer cabins you'll see in this style of boat. So the fifth and final key feature of the 320 Sundancer is the bow area and the bow seating. Great visibility from up here, very comfortable. Position seating for 3 with drop-down armrest. You have Fusion stereo controls over on the starboard side as well as 12-volt charger. Fusion speakers as well. All the way forward is a table that stores away when not in use. And at the bow of the boat you have your windlass and stainless steel anchor. Thank you for checking out our 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.